you got an email that was sent to you, there was a link to this drive. And in this drive, it's literally all my resources. And if you look here, I got a thing on like how to pass MPR like a boss, it's like a strategy, how you can pass MPR. And it's basically a method I used. And then you have all of these problems here for you to do that I suggest. And they're very good. Like it's basically leads you up from most easy to most difficult. And it's important that you don't neglect your lecture notes because there are good problems in there. And there's some theory, so it's like theory, lecture notes, theory, right? But obviously the lecture notes, they can be a bit confusing. That if you sit down with them and you redo the examples and you look at them, they make sense. I mean, like I did them and it worked for me. And I don't have any programming background before MPR. Okay, so I'm like, if any of you first time seeing programming, and like just know that there's hope, and that also that MPR is a very fun module, that it's very practical, right? So it's unlike other engineering modules where you do a problem and then you're going to see the answer at the end of like you look at the back of the textbook and you see the answer and that's it. Or you look at the memo or solution manual or go to the lecture, wherever you get the answer from, you get the answer and that's that, right? With MPR, it's nice because you program and then the thing works and then you can do like other things with it. You can build things and you can do a lot of things with it, which is cool. And you get like an immediate, you try, it doesn't kind of work, you try again and then it works. And there's like a little like, you get like a little dopamine spike, like a little like, you'll see that the more you program, it's like little challenges and then when you get the answers, like if you feel good. So, especially in the semester test. Okay, so there are these problems I recommend for you to do on arrays, on for loops, on while loops.